Change theme in Shopify. Hey guys, alright? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, another Shopify video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your store and switch your theme. Before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here I make tutorials, always to make it easier for you. So guys, there are already other Shopify videos here on the channel. I made a series of videos. I created a playlist specifically for how to create a Shopify store from scratch, and also how to integrate print-on-demand platforms, for example, Printful. So if you have doubts, curiosities on this type of subject, don't miss the playlist here. It's quite complete, and I'll put it in the card now. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the theme of your Shopify store. So let's go guys. I'm already on the home screen of my account, of my dashboard, and you're going to click here on this side menu. You're going to look for this option guys, online store. Click on virtual store and the themes option will appear. So the current theme that my store is set up with will appear. You can customize this theme according to your preferences, or you can choose other themes for your store. So here are some free themes that you can use. So I'm going to choose this theme, Spotlight. I'll click Add, and the theme will be in my virtual store. And that's it guys, I've installed the Spotlight theme. You can click up here and see the store to see this theme. Don't miss the next videos in this playlist where I'll show how you can set up your Shopify store from scratch. So these are the first videos. Don't miss the next ones on how to configure your store correctly. Any doubts, just put them below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'm signing off now. A big hug. God bless you. Thanks.